First question. Name the highest civilian awards. Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri. These are the highest civilian awards. Second question. Who selects the winners of the civilian awards? The President selects the winners of the civilian awards based on the recommendation of Padma Awards Committee. Third question. What is meant by first past the post system? It is a type of method of electoral system where voters cast their vote for a candidate of their choice and the candidate who receives the highest votes wins. Fourth question. What is Uniform Civil Code? It is a process to implement one law for India which would be applicable to all religious communities in India. Article 44 of the Constitution of India, which is under Directive Principles of State Policy, state that states shall endeavour to secure for the citizens the uniform civil code throughout the territory of India. Fifth question. What is meant by Special Credit Linked Capital Subsidy Scheme? It helps to give technology related assistance to entrepreneurs in the service sector and provision of 25% of capital subsidy for the procurement of plant and machinery and service equipments through institutional credit to the scheduled tribe or scheduled caste entrepreneurs. Sixth question. Name some schemes which are under Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Ekalavya Model Residential Schools. Second is Scheme of Development of Primitive Tribal Groups. Third is Central Sector Scholarship Scheme for ST students. Fourth is Vocational Training Centers in Tribal Areas. And fifth is Grants to Tribal Research Institutes. These are some of the schemes which are implemented under the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Seventh question. Write a note on Southwest Monsoon. The period of June to September is referred to as the Southwest Monsoon period. This is summer monsoon period where the country receives 75% of its rainfall. Eighth question. Write a note on Fed to Fail report. It is a report given by UNICEF. The report spread awareness on the crisis of children's diet in early life around age group of 6 to 23 months. What is the full form of UNICEF? United Nations Children's Fund. 10th question. What is meant by MLA? MLA means Member of Legislative Assembly. 11th question. What is meant by MLC? MLC means Member of Legislative Council. 12th question. Vidhan Sabha means it is the lower house of the state legislative assembly. 13th question. Vidhan Parishad means it is the upper house of state legislative assembly. What is meant by bicameral legislature? A legislative body which have both upper house and lower house are called bicameral legislature. 15th question. What is the difference between Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad? Vidhan Sabha is the lower house whereas Vidhan Parishad is the upper house. 16th question. What is the difference between MLA and MLC? MLA represents the lower house of the state assembly and is elected by the people, whereas MLC represents the upper house of the state assembly and is elected by the lower house. 17th question. Write a note on Delhi Special Police Establishment Act. This act was established in the year 1946. It made a provision for the constitution of Special Police Force, that is CBI, to control corruption and solve other criminal cases. 18th question. Write a note on Gati Shakti scheme. The scheme is also called National Master Plan for Multimodal Connectivity Plan with the aim of coordinated planning and execution of infrastructure projects to bring down logistic cost. This is Gati Shakti scheme. 19th question. Name few social evils that were practiced in India: caste system, child marriage, sati, polygamy, female infanticide. These are some of the social evils which were practiced in India, and still we have a caste system and female infanticide. 20th question: which scheme gives us a platform to the farmers to sell their produce anywhere by collecting more than 1000 mandis of a country? Sorry, here the question is, which scheme provides a platform to the farmers to sell their produce anywhere by connecting more than 1000 mandis of a country? It is E-NAM scheme, that is E-National Agricultural Market Scheme. 21st question: what are Kisan credit cards? It was introduced to ensure credit requirements for farmers in agriculture, fisheries, and animal husbandry. 22nd question: why our Prime Minister has repealed the 3 farm laws? Because many farmers were against it, and for last 1 year they were fighting to repeal the three farm laws, and finally yesterday the Prime Minister has repealed the 3 farm laws. 23rd question: are the 3 farm bills against the farmers? No, these 3 farm bills mainly favors the small farmers and big farmers as well. It gives them the right to make their own price and sell anywhere in the country. 24th question: did the government involve the farmer union and organization during the implementation of the farm bills? No, the government did not involve any of the farmers union or organization. So yes, the answer is no. 25th question: what are the main aspects of failing of farm bills? Even though the farm laws favors farmers, not consulting the farmers before implementing the bills, and they were not successful in making the farmers aware of the benefits of farm bills. These are the few aspects for scrapping of the farm bills. 26th question: which state have, this is PESA notified rules. 6 states have notified PESA rules. They are Andhra Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, and Telangana. In which state PESA rules were not implemented till now? 4 states did not implement at present but will implement the rules soon. They are Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, and Orissa. 28th question: what is the full form of PESA? It is Panchayat's extension to scheduled areas. 29th question: can schools explain in tribal language as per national education policy? Yes, they can explain. Gumti river flows through which states? It flows through Tripura, Uttar Pradesh, and also Uttarakhand. And here 31st question: Oja gones are found in which state, and mention one non-ferrous metal casting method of the tribes. Oja gones are present in Telangana state, and the non-ferrous metal casting method is Dokra. 32nd, what is 3D printing? It is a 3-dimensional printing that creates a physical object from a digital design. 33rd question: write a note on National Company Law Tribunal. It is a quasi-judicial body in India and adjudicates issues relating to the Indian companies. The tribunal was established under the Companies Act 2013. 34th question: what is the full form of SARFAESI, SARFAESI. It is securitization and reconstruction of financial assets and enforcement of security interest. 35th question. Write a note on SARFAESI. This act empowers banks and other financial institutions to directly auction residential or commercial properties that have been pledged with them to recover loans from borrowers. 36th question. What are the functions of Lok Adalat? There is no court fee, and if court fee is already paid, it will be refunded if the dispute is settled under Lok Adalat. The basic feature of Lok Adalat is informal and speedy justice. 37th question. What are the functions of RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India? It issues currency notes. Second function is it is a banker to the government of India. And the third is commercial banks are required to maintain the cash reserves at the rate decided by the RBI in its monetary policy. 38th question. NASA point on stubble burning. NASA stated that when the stubble burning is done, smog is formed and blankets of it is flown through the Indo-Gangetic plain, exposing millions of people in the densely populated plain to elevated levels of air pollution. And because of this reason, Delhi was seen as one of the most polluted state in the country. And even though they burnt the stubble burning in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, all these were flown through Indo-Gangetic plain, and the most affected state is Delhi. What is smog? Smog is smoke plus fog. It is a poisonous gas. 40th question. What is Kisan Samman Nidhi? It is an initiative by Government of India in which a farmer will get up to 6,000 per year income support. 41st question. How many countries does United Nations have? It has 193 sovereign states. 42nd, 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act deals with Panchayat Raj. 43rd, 74th Constitutional Amendment Act deals with municipalities. 44th question. Anti-smog towers was constructed in which state? It is constructed in Delhi. 45th question. In which state wheat production is highest? It is in Punjab. 46th. What is the full form of BRICS? Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. South Africa was joined in BRICS in the year 2010. 47th question. In which country BRICS summit was hosted in 2021, in this year? It is India. 48th question. Name the 3 cropping seasons in India: Kharif, Rabi and Zaid. 49th. Which is the largest river in the world? It is River Amazon, and the longest river in the world is River Nile. 50th question. Rowlatt Satyagraha took place in which year? It is in the year 1919.